係啊。第三個
引領住觀眾人力地標同埋節慶場景，設計同時結合咗創意城市美食之都，同澳門世界遺產展現歷史文化嘅道地美食原味教育。
第四個啊嘛。
The Macau Government Tourism Office flow is back. The Experience Macau features a dreamy Lotus Point and adorable mascot backpack, celebrating Macau's status as a UNESCO Creative City of gastronomy and World Heritage Sites, showcasing a perfect fusion of Macau's rich history and world-class local flavors. 想去邊啲澳門，帶着你跳，開心再沒有限期，默默帶你飛飛。